Hello everybody, I would like to show you in this video Bosch air conditioner 3000i. So to the every air condition you will get the remote control. Firstly, I would like to show you the basic functions, how to control the air condition. So first switch on, and you can see that after switching on there is immediately visible the set temperature on the display of the air condition. So you can change you have available several modes. So there are modes for, let's start from the beginning, automatic mode, which will automatically set between cooling and heating according to actual temperature and set temperature. Then it's cooling mode, of course, for cooling, drying mode to reduce the humidity, heating mode to heat up, and fan mode. Now I will go back to the cooling mode. If you set any of the modes, you can also set a special mode to reduce the power by pressing this green button. It's so-called eco mode. If you just want to change the set point of the temperature, just use the arrow buttons up and down. After changing the temperature, you can see that the set temperature is also changed also on the display of air condition, yeah? And you also hear the signal. You have also a possibility to set the timer by pressing the button of the symbol time, and then via the arrow button you could set the time when it should be on, and then the time when it should be off. Okay. The another possibilities here are you can set the speed of the ventilator of the fan. So another mode is this swing mode. If you press it, then this flap, as you can see now, starts to do the movement from top to the bottom. So now it's visible how the flap is moving. You cannot change the direction from right to the left electronically. If you want to do it, you have to do it manually. So if you want to change the position of the flap manually, here you have to put your finger on this plastic part and just move it manually by your finger. So another mode what you can choose is this this is called wind-free mode. If you press it, then the flap will go to the direction that the cold wind will not blow directly to you. Another button here, or another feature, is the turbo mode. So it starts heating or cooling very fast. If you press it, you just switch off the display on the air condition. And so if you want to clean this internal air condition unit, so there is actually two possibilities or two steps. First step is to switch on this cleaning function. So if you press this button on the remote controller to clean the air condition, then actually air conditioner will this cooler which is inside this radiator first will be frozen and then heat up to, for example, 50 degrees to destroy all viruses and fungi. Okay, and the next step is to clean up the air conditioning unit manually. So to clean up it manually, first you should open the internal unit, and you can see there are some blue nets. So slightly remove out those nets and clean it up just under the water. And the next step is to use some disinfection spray, for example like Sanitol, and apply it to this radiator, to this cooling part. So to kill all fungi and viruses which are there, okay? And then just use again some spray, but just with the normal water, fresh water, to remove all other dirts. Those water which you apply here will go out through the pipe. Yeah, you can do it by yourself. It's very easy and fast. Actually, you can save some money. Okay, then in the next part of this video, I would like to show you how this air conditioning unit was installed.
Já už takhle to mám.